The biggest berries ever! Follow me now! Stop! This rock and these berries are our territory. We found them first. They're ours.
We can't stop it!
Stop pulling! We have to work together! What's the plan? Windbreak! Coming up! It's slowing down, but not enough. Redirection path set. We saved it! Safe and sound. I'm sorry, Hop. My greed almost ruined everything. It's safe now. We should share it. Half for you, half for us. We learned that sharing is much better than fighting. Strong knots. No more rolling. Goodbye for now, friends. See you next time. Best berries, best friends. This tastes better because we earned it together. Good thing we practiced teamwork. When you share, everyone wins, and the reward is sweeter. This forest goes on forever. Wow, it's sparkling!
Stop! You have sprung the trap.
Find the third color mirror to divert the main beam.
Third color? What could it mean? I'll look up high. I know the third color. A mirror, a reflector, something yellow. The maple leaf. It's perfect. Take it, Hope. Knowing your colors and using what you have is the best trap solver. It'll make a perfect nightlight. We can use this leaf to mark our trail. Thanks for the adventure. Our map is complete. We saved it together. We carry it together. What adventure tomorrow? Almost there, little ones. It's too toxic. We need specialized help. Venomous snake. We need protective barriers and neutralization.
Water and flowers will neutralize the threat.
Fired up to paralyze the predator.
Metal power to protect the little mice.
Heat's working. He's coiling up. Woof. Stunned and neutralized. Now move. Ready for the big lift. The trail is safe. Thank you for saving us, Super Pups.
Hup, distracting the snake with food.
Was very smart. When facing a dangerous animal, use specialized powers for control, not confrontation. Trail fully cleared and safe to use. Every creature, big or small, deserves a safe place to roam. Super Pups are on a roll. What a bountiful harvest, Quack! Look! The biggest cluster yet! Almost. Too heavy. Never. We need a scissor, or maybe a ladder. Too hard to build. Wait, we can use leverage. Perfect setup. I need counterweight on the other side, Quack. On it. My turn to gather. Not heavy enough. Still too low. Double the weight, double the lift. Almost there.
To the lily pad. Pure perfection, Hop. Our greatest juice ingredient yet.
The leaf is broken! Use the shell!
Well, that was an adventure.
To creative problem solving and quick thinking, worth every drop. Even perfect plans need a backup container. Quack. Always an adventure with you, Quack. Perfect insulation for the winter.
Did the temperature just drop 20 degrees?
We can't see the tricky house. I'm grounded. My wings are frozen. So cold. I can't hold on.
Door! It's blocked. The little mouse. We have to help him first. There you go, safe and sound. We need shelter. Quack.
Fast, fast. You can't stay out here.
A snow cave. It will keep the wind out.
It's windproof, but not warm enough.
I see pine cones. Good thing I packed this flint. Thank you.
I was so cold. Now for that branch. We can't stay here forever.
It's too slick.
It just slides away. We're safe. We made it.
Thank you for saving me.
We don't leave anyone behind in a storm, big or small. A perfect harvest.
It's poison. It's ruining everything.
Not even chili works.
We need super pup power.
Pup Alert 30. Giant caterpillar threat.
Pups, transform and launch.
PER is ready to vaporize.
Super pups are on the way.
Digging a defense line.
Fanning the toxins away. Prepare to be vaporized. I can do this. Mental power.
Scanning for mutation core. The underbelly is soft.
It's just a normal worm now.
Crisis contained, thanks to your perimeter.
Final step, pups. Area decontamination. Thank you, Super Pups. You saved our winter.
A small reward for your amazing help.
The real lesson. Hop and Quack contained the crisis. Big problems need local intelligence first.
Your drainage trench was perfect. Perfect.
Smart thinking, Hop.
It's magnificent.
Time for winter jam.
It's heavier than a boulder.
Quack.
We need leverage, Quack. It's moving. It's moving. The pit. It's ruined.
Our jam will flood it. The power of buoyancy. working!
Hooray! Buoyancy wins!
All aboard the gourd ship. Watch the lettuce.
We're a great team, Quack. We made it! It smells earthy. It tastes like mountain stream.
Moss, mud, and magic.
Let's name it. It tells the story of our rescue. She needs to be the first to try it.
She loves the mossy flavor. When brute force fails, think outside the pit. That's the real lesson.
Digging for deliciousness. What a treasure.
Viper! Danger!
My stick! No! It wants the whole spot.
Quack, we need a plan.
Cold water shock. Take that, Rattlebrain.
Take the mud bath.
My best friend is safe. We did it. I was so scared, but I was more scared of losing you, Quack. Teamwork.
My cold water and your strong legs saved the day.
Even the strongest enemy can be beaten by a clever plan and a friend.
Perfect.
Now we need a new plan. A shiny lure to attract new friends, not vipers.
Best day ever.